be able to make the majority of industries and the majority of the economy move faster towards sustainable value chains, sustainable circular loops, we need to make sure that the value of what's being provided is rewarded and incentivized, and also the costs, both in the primary and secondary, of polluting, say, greenhouse gases, or to water, or to land, biodiversity, that those costs are included in the cost of production. At Ragnsells, we don't want to strive after just becoming circular for circularity's sake. We want to be able to achieve and create positive effects on societal goals like climate, water, biodiversity. And therefore, we have focused on several areas where we see there's a big potential to make positive change, being nutrients, being different raw materials that can substitute unsustainable raw materials that are being used in industry today. So in this network we've been working with, we've been focused mostly on our phosphorus technologies and how those are developing and coming to market, and on our salt production technologies, both which are really pretty cool because they fulfill two functions. First, they decontaminate streams coming from society. Maybe you have heavy metals or pharmaceuticals, or in the sense of fly ashes, you have a lot of chlorides. And then they turn them into non-toxic products. So we have RavoCap with the phosphorus, calcium phosphate, and we have 3 different salts coming out of ash to salt. So that's what we've been focusing on in this group. Working with these actors in multi-constellations to solve what we call wicked problems it's a bit of a mental shift, going from, okay, we are businesses that do market transactions. I will, argue with you or debate with you on the price of what this should be, to thinking, okay, we have the common goal, and this is something that we want to invest. It's going to take some time, because what we're doing is we're changing the flow of an entire value chain, and that hasn't been done before. So it doesn't happen overnight. So you really need this coalition of the willing. So internally at Ragnsells, it's a bit of a cultural shift on what do we really mean by partnership. Partnership isn't just signing a contract to sell something. It's we're in this together. We're going to work on this until we get it right. And that can mean both upstream, for us at least, upstream like secondary material producers, and downstream, where we're actually substituting unsustainable raw materials with the new regenerated materials. Single actor can solve it on their own. So I think what can make it go faster is if we can bring these actors together, a coalition of the willing, understand, okay, here's the areas that we can have the biggest impact together, maybe prioritize where we're going to put our time, because we don't have unlimited time, and then work together in those areas. So partnership, but real partnership with collective vested goals.